Hey, what's going on, everyone? Today's December the 21st, 2022. We're going to talk about Litecoin today, and we're going to talk about why the rally is over. And I did a video for Litecoin on the 24th of November. Didn't drop a price prediction because I wanted to see how strong the market was going to be right around this area here. Okay. And then we also wanted to see Litecoin continue with the trend. That's the reason why the rally is over. It's because price has broken this trend line. It's just that simple. We've seen price in Litecoin break the trend right here. I would say December the 11th and the 12th of December, we saw price in Litecoin break the trend. There you go. The rally is over. All right. So let's go ahead and break this down real quick to see if we still have further to fall in Litecoin. And currently we do, but let's just say that we may just contemplate and say that Litecoin may continue to trade within these two lines right here. Let's just say that. Okay. So let's go ahead and create the trading channel in the market for Litecoin. So let me extend them out a little bit further. Now, seeing that our last rejection point was here, we need to consider that price is still weak. Okay, we haven't seen any strength coming to the market in Litecoin of late. We broke the trend line, which I've created on my prior video. So we're definitely leaning more towards Litecoin, giving us some weakness. Now, albeit it's not that weak, but these two 5-weekly price bars right here tells us that there's still a lot of sellers in the market. So even though the buyers were able to take the brunt of the selling, they're still here though. Okay. So let's go ahead and take that away. Look at this on the 3 weeks. Let's go ahead and look at this on the 2 weeks chart. This is where we're definitely seeing the weakness in the market in Litecoin. Okay. So we cannot be massively bullish in this market for Litecoin of late. We really would need to see the price in Litecoin break back up above $72 though. Just gonna keep it real. We need to see it break above $72 before we become a little bit more bullish in this particular coin. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to take this resistance area a little bit lower, because the sooner that we see price break up above 72, the better. And we can tell that buyers are now really controlling the market here in Litecoin. Until then, just expect the market in Litecoin to give us this type of trading. Okay. So check this out here on the 3-day chart, because I'm actually seeing some buyers in the market right here on this 3-day price bar. We're definitely seeing buyers entering the market in Litecoin right now, but as they attempt to move this market up there to around 72, if we still see the market get rejected again, then we're going to come all the way back down to like 52 to like $48. So let's say the market in Litecoin was able to come back up to 72 and we get rejected again. We might as well expect the price to continue to go all the way down to the support area of around $52 to $48. Okay. Now, how do you all want to view this particular price? Do you want to see it on a smaller time frame? Do you want to see it on a longer time frame? Because on the smaller time frame, we are actually seeing some buyers entering the market, albeit it's not that strong though. Like, the opportunity for the buyers to really win was here. They should have allowed the price in Litecoin following these particular trading days. We should have seen the market in Litecoin continue to move higher, but that wasn't the outcome. Instead, the market went down in Litecoin, which tells me that this area that is circled was mostly sellers in the market. Because if it wasn't sellers, then price would have definitely gone higher, but instead the price went down. Okay. So now, what do you think about this? Do you think that this could be the price to where Litecoin could bounce from within this trading channel? Because if so, that's pretty good. Like, it continues to tell us that the overall trend is still intact, and that later on we could see the market in Litecoin run to 72, 74 and actually break it to the upside as long as price holds this trend. You see this, right? We don't want to see this though. Those are the two outcomes that we can see. That's it. So what I'm going to do currently, I'm going to place some weakness in the market, all because of that. Now, I'm not going to be massively bearish because, like I said, I just drew this ascending line here. We need to see the market prop up there. We need to see the buyers come into the market in Litecoin and hold this trend line. If they do, great. We exit out around what, $62, maybe 60. And then we'll take the market back up to the upside to around 72. Like I told you that we could expect to see sellers again. Okay, so the first price target, let me see. Yeah, it's not that far because I can see $64 and Litecoin holding that support. That is what, 2.8%. My second one is going to be here around 60 though. It's around 8.63%. Let's say we do break that trend line. Let me do your third one. My third price of this would be around 56, which is around 15% move to the downside from where the price is now in Litecoin. I'm done. So now we just need to see how weak the market is going to be or how strong the buyers are going to be right here on this trend line. We want to see massive strength come in on that trend line because it tells us that buyers are now approaching the market. If the strength doesn't show up, then we are already in a position to see price continue to go lower in Litecoin. All right, so that is it. Give me your thoughts. Join the team, hit that like button, and also subscribe to the channel to get more simplistic content in the cryptocurrency space without the fluff, without the FUD, without the FOMO, without all of the hype. We simply look at the price action. Join me. Make sure you maintain the profitability, and as always, trade different.